Hi everyone, welcome back to The Sensational Crafter, where creativity and money saving meet. Today I'm going to show you how to make a quick and easy braided dog toy for your furry little friend. Let's get started.
So we're starting off on our self-healing cutting mat, and all you need for this project is a piece of freshly washed fleece and a rotary cutter.
This piece of fleece that I'm using here measures approximately 12 inches by 22 inches, but it doesn't have to be precise. You can use a piece that's a little bit smaller or a little bit larger. This is just the size of the piece that I had for this particular project. Now we're going to go in with our rotary cutter and we're going to cut 6 strips that are approximately 1 inch thick each, and this is going to be used to create our braid. Once you've got your 6 strips cut, we're going to go ahead and line them up evenly, tie them in a knot, and then we'll get prepared to braid. So now that we've got all the strands lined up, we're going to go ahead and tie this into one big knot on the end, and then we'll start braiding. So now we're going to take our 6 strands and we're going to divide them into 3 sections with 2 strands in each section, and this is how we're going to create the braid. So we're going to start braiding from the knot that we just tied, and we're going to braid all the way down to the very end, and when we get to the end, we'll tie it in another knot to seal it off. Now that we're at the end of the braid, we're going to go ahead and tie it into another big knot, just like we did at the beginning, to seal off the braid. Next, we're going to take our rotary cutter and we're just going to go in and trim off the ends and make them nice and even. Now that we've done that, we're just going to go ahead and tie a knot in the middle. And honestly, you guys, at this point, you could leave it as is and make it into like a longer tug toy, but we're actually just going to keep going and tie it into knots all the way down to the end. And this creates a thicker, more durable toy, and it also creates an interesting texture that dogs who love to chew really enjoy. And there you have it, you guys, your completed dog toy. Now let's test it out and see if the client likes it. Well, I think we have a winner, you guys. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. And if you'd like to see more creative DIY content like this, hit the subscribe button. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss a new upload.